welcome back to my channel. So guys, my name is Ritu. I make beauty and DIY content. In case you are interested in the same, please consider subscribing. It would mean absolute world to me. And guys, today in this video I am going to be talking about my experience of using AHA and BHA peel. I've been using it since 1 month and I was able to see some drastic change just in the first go on my whiteheads and blackheads. I couldn't notice a difference in the glow of my skin in the first and second go, but yes, on the third go I was able to notice a significant difference in my skin glow. Also in the first go you'll be able to see your whiteheads and blackheads vanishing away, and we are quickly going to be diving in.
So guys, this is the peel which I'm going to be using today, and this is by Minimalist, and this has AHA 30% and BHA 2%. This is not a sponsored video guys, I ordered it for myself, and AHA loves water while BHA loves oil. They can bypass the oil that glow pores and dissolve the mix of sebum and dead skin cells, which might lead to acne, whiteheads or blackheads. You guys can look at the condition of my nose. There are lots of whiteheads. They have always been there. I have tried different method. I have showed you guys, I've shared the journey with you, but there was nothing which has completely removed it. And that was the macro shot guys, and this is how it looks. It has a certain texture which looks really ugly. Apart from this lip tint guys, I have nothing on my face. My face was clean. I have washed it with normal water. After that I started applying it all over my face. First of all, I thought that I'm going to be applying it just on my nose and on my chin because this is the major problematic area I have, but then I applied it all over my face. And yes, in the beginning you feel a little bit of tingling sensation, but after that it goes away because you are just need to apply it for 10 to 15 minutes, not beyond that. At least this is what has been mentioned on the packaging. Once I applied it all over my face, I made sure that I massage it. I don't know why I massage it. And also make sure that if you buy this, I will give the product link in the description box below. If you want to check it out, you must check it out for yourself. At least if you're somebody who suffers from whiteheads and blackheads, this is an amazing product. And in the end, it is just going to make your skin super smooth and supple. And I washed it with water. It is immediately gonna neutralize the effect of the chemicals, and yes, it is gonna make your skin a little bit dry. And after that I had a little bit of sebaceous filaments on my nose. I removed it using a blackhead stick, and this is how my nose looked in the end. I loved the results, and I did this video 10 days ago, and right now also there is no major whiteheads or blackheads on my nose. The results were long lasting. It made my skin very smooth and supple. Whiteheads, blackheads, everything was gone. This is magical solution for whiteheads. If you have this, you must get your hands on this product guys.
So guys, if you're someone who is suffering from whiteheads, blackheads or clogged pores, even the sebaceous filaments I'm talking about on your chin area, on your nose, on your face, you must give it a try. Just in the first go you'll be able to see a difference. And I'll also tell you, once you apply it, just make sure that you are using a stick to remove everything out, because it is just gonna be on surface, and if you rub it a little, it is gonna be gone in a second. So yes guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you like it. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, show me some love on my social media, links to which are given in the description box below. I'll see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care, bye bye. I love you guys so much.